Hello friends, this is Dipansh from WebTricks. Today I am going to give you a tutorial of how to set up Gmail account, and you can also find written format on our website, top in the I button and links in the description. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for create Google account. I am typing this and then I will click on enter to go to the search result. Click on the first search and you will redirect it to Google create your account. Fill your name, last name, and select the username you want. I am selecting Web Boss. It is showing that it is not available, so I am selecting another one from their recommendation. This is Web Boss 85. Now set your password that you can remember, and you can choose anyone, and click on next to set up your Gmail account. This is optional case, phone number, email, recovery email, and select your birth date and gender and click on next. This is privacy terms and condition. You can read this. I will read it and I am clicking on I agree. And there you go, your Gmail account is ready to use.